Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore NFT metadata display using IPFS gateway. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching your web browser. Navigate to the IPFS gateway website. In the search bar, enter the URL of the NFT you wish to restore. Ensure the format adheres to the IPFS standard. Press enter to load the page. Once the page loads, check if the metadata appears correctly. If the metadata is missing, note the content identifier, or CID. Open a new tab in your browser. Visit an IPFS pinning service of your choice. Create an account if necessary, and log in. In the dashboard, look for an option to add a new CID. Paste the CID you noted earlier into the designated field. Confirm the action to pin the CID. Wait for the confirmation that the CID has been successfully pinned. Return to the IPFS Gateway tab. Refresh the page to check if the metadata is now visible. If the metadata still doesn't display, clear your browser's cache. Revisit the IPFS Gateway once more after clearing the cache. You should now see the restored metadata for your NFT. If issues persist, check the CID for typos or errors. Repeat the process if needed, ensuring to copy the correct CID. This method should successfully restore your NFT metadata. You can now share or access your NFT with its restored metadata. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.